Welcome back to another video. My name is Max, we're at John Kleis Cardio, and today behind me is a Hyundai Kona, which has been in for a heated seat retrofit. We've now got heated seats on the front seats, both of them. I'm just going to give you a very brief look at the seats. So the seats obviously still look completely standard, nothing changes. We take apart the seat, install some carbon fiber heating pads, and they warm up according to this switch here. This switch has a high setting, which goes red, a low setting, which is green, so you can kind of leave it because it's on a rocker switch, or the middle, which is obviously on off. So we take apart the seats. This job does take a day or so. It is quite a labor intensive job fitting heated seats, and it can vary from car to car, but pretty much any car we can heated seats to. So from the driver's position, I just reach down the side here and I've got this easy to use toggle. It's quite easy to feel it. Again, if I just show you the switch, sorry, get my jacket in the way. But you've got a hot setting, low setting, and off in the middle. All the seats go back together all nicely. I can now get a warm bum and a nice warm back while I'm driving, which, you know, is something that if you've had in another car, you get used to it. And, you know, especially in the winter time, it always keeps you warm. I love a heated seat. So this is it. This is just a quick video on a Hyundai, about a 2024 year, this vehicle, and we've added heated seats to it. If you want to get that for your car, get in contact with us and we can give you a quote. Thank you for watching, take care and goodbye.